Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch-up video. I haven't been doing a great lot in the workshop this week. The reason is we've got a couple of lads off at work and I've actually been working and I'm not used to sort of like physical craft anymore. I keep forgetting I'm not 25 anymore, I'm 66. But anyway, I don't do too bad for an old one. I've been busy collecting parts to make this steam boiler. I've got the barrel sorted out. I've got some plate to make end caps out of. The bits and pieces are coming together. I had a look at some one of my old videos when I did have a boiler in the garden, and I ran my marine steam engine on it. I'm going to put them on tonight for a bit video to look back on. I think it's about 12 years ago. It's incredible the way I've aged in 12 years. It really is. Anyway, that's enough talk. I'll put these videos on, have a look, see what you think.
smells nice. That motor oil's quickly a month so far as the steam like, isn't it? No, it's jumping out.
You're going to the bag with that.
Touch that, yeah.
Nice.
So did you put some lard on your
Yeah, tallow. Tallow mix up.
goes down to water now, doesn't it? Yeah. Goes down to water comes through.
That's good.
It looks good. It smells good. I'm on a knackering. Oh, look.
Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. A massive thanks once again for all the well wishes that continue to come in and comments basically regarding my mental health. I've been told I've got to keep banging on about mental health, because if me banging on about it makes one person go and seek the help that is available, it's been all worthwhile. I know for a fact I've had lads tell us that because they watched one of my videos and what I'd said, they went and got help because otherwise it was going to be a disaster. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling on. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.